Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Aww. Give Jude kisses, Zoe. Want to give Jude kisses? Give her kisses. She's trying. Say, I'm trying. Can you get her? Can you get her? Here, Daddy. Hold the camera. I'll help. I'll help. Okay. You want to girls give each other kisses? Okay, ready, Jude? Ready? Give Zoe kisses. Okay, ready? Jude, kisses. Kisses, Zoe. Kisses. Zoe. Kisses. Kiss. Oh, that's a good kiss. One more time. Give kisses. Kisses. Oh, good kisses. Good
Silly
kisses.
girl.
That's silly. Here, give kisses this way. Give kisses this way. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Who's that? Oh, really? Aw, say hi. Well, what do you think, Zoe? Jude's trying to tell you. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, say, let go of my hand. Say, let go of my hand. What do you think, Zoe? That's your sister, Jude. She's like, can I try your finger? Oh, don't squeeze her nose. That might hurt. Don't eat her hand. That might hurt. Say hi. Kisses. Can you give kisses? She's like, I'm bored with you. Can you give kisses? Give kisses. Give kisses again. Give kisses. Give kisses. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, that's enough. You don't have to get that close. Jude's like, give me the arm.
Eat it.
Oh, so I love you. Say I love you. Say I love you. Oh, that's so nice, Jude. Give Zoe kisses. Aww. Zoe, say hi, Jude. So like, this is girl touching me.
No.
Hey, you.
I'm eating
Doink,
her
doink,
shoulder.
doink.
Oh,
Oh, careful.
poke in the face.
Careful.
Poke an eye.
Careful. Zoe's like ignoring her. Give her kisses.
Poke an eye.
So he's like, listen here, man. That's not cool.
That's a lot of fingers.
Okay, I think this is wearing out. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye.